Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're together to help you improve your English in a fun and practical way. Whether you're a beginner or at an intermediate level, this video is perfect for you. We'll focus on three important things: listening comprehension, speaking practice, and expanding your vocabulary.
How?
Through a short, amusing story that you'll love, shadowing exercises, I'll explain what that means in a moment, and useful sentences that you can use in real-life situations. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a fantastic technique to improve your English pronunciation and fluency. It's simple. During the story, you'll repeat after me, just like a shadow follows someone. This will help you understand how words are pronounced, how sentences flow, and even how intonation works in English. Don't worry about being perfect at first. Just participate and have fun. Our story. In this video, we're going to follow a character in a common, everyday situation, something you might experience yourself. He might make a few small mistakes along the way, but that's where the fun and learning happen. So relax, grab a notebook if you want to write down some new words, and follow along until the end. Ready? Let's go. Today, let's meet Emily, a young woman who loves traveling, but sometimes she gets into funny little mix-ups. Emily is visiting London for the first time, and she decides to explore the city by stopping by cozy cafes and bakeries. But of course, her day doesn't go exactly as planned. Emily walks into a charming little cafe near the River Thames. She sits at an outdoor table, looks around, and starts feeling like a true Londoner. A waitress approaches with a big smile. Waitress: "Hello, madam. What can I get for you?" Emily: "Hi there. I'd like a glass, please." Waitress: "A glass? Okay, what kind? Coke, orange juice?" Emily: No, I mean just a regular glass." The waitress frowns, slightly confused. Then she replies, "Waitress, all right, I'll bring that right over." A few minutes later, she returns with an empty glass on a small plate. Emily, puzzled, looks at it and says, "Emily, excuse me, but is that all?" Waitress: "Yes, ma'am. You asked for a glass, didn't you?" Emily realizes her mistake. What she wanted was ice cream, but in English, glass doesn't mean ice cream. Blushing, she tries to correct herself. Emily: "Oh, sorry. Actually, I meant an ice cream, please." Waitress, smiling: got it. 1 scoop or 2?" Emily: 2 scoops, please." "Thank you." After enjoying her ice cream, Emily decides to walk around to digest. She comes across a bakery and sees a sign that reads, "Chocolate croissant, 1 pound." Great, she thinks, I love chocolate croissants. She walks in and proudly tells the baker, "Emily, hello. I'll take a chocolate croissant, please." Baker: "Sure thing, madam. Will that be to take away?" Emily: "No, I'm going to eat it here." The baker looks puzzled. Eat it here usually means staying inside the shop, but Emily actually wants to eat the croissant while walking outside. After a moment, the baker understands and hands over the croissant. Baker: "Here you go. Enjoy your treat." Emily leaves the bakery, proud of her purchase, but seconds later, she spots an adorable dog. The dog stares at her, and Emily, touched, decides to share a piece of her croissant. Unfortunately, when trying to break it off, She drops the whole pastry on the ground. Frustrated, she mutters, "Emily, oh no, not my day." Finally, Emily sits on a bench near the river to reflect on her day. She thinks that although things didn't go as planned, she learned a few important lessons. For example, asking for a glass might get you an empty container, and sharing your snack with a dog isn't always a good idea. Most importantly, she realizes that making mistakes is normal, and every little error is a chance to learn something new. She smiles while looking at the river and promises herself she'll come back tomorrow for another adventure. After all, London isn't just a city. It's also a place to play with language and culture, full of unexpected surprises. Key phrases and expressions. Now that you've followed Emily through her London adventures, let's review some key phrases from today's story. I'll explain them and ask you to repeat after me so you can practice speaking like a native English speaker. Phrase 1. I would like. Useful in cafes, restaurants, or shops. For example, repeat after me. I would like a coffee. Now try. I would like an ice cream. Phrase 2. Please. Adding this word makes your request more polite. For example, repeat after me. A glass, please. Now try. An ice cream, please. Phrase 3. Will that be to take away? If you want to eat inside, say, no, I'll eat it here. If you want to take it with you, say, yes, that's to take away. Repeat after me. No, I'll eat it here. Now try. Yes, that's to take away. Phrase 4. Oh no. This is a common expression used when something goes wrong. For example, when Emily drops her croissant, she says, repeat after me. Oh no. Try using it in different situations like spilling water or missing the bus. Phrase 5. Not my day. When things keep going wrong, you can say this to show you're having a bad day. Repeat after me. Not my day. Imagine losing your keys or getting stuck in traffic. This phrase fits perfectly. Phrase 6. Enjoy your treat. You often hear this in bakeries or cafes. When someone says it, you can respond with, thank you. Repeat after me. Enjoy your treat. Now say, thank you. Bonus. Make a mistake. Like Emily mixing up glass and ice cream, everyone makes mistakes. The key is to learn and keep practicing. Repeat after me. Make a mistake. Now complete this sentence. Mistakes are normal. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed following Emily and her funny adventures in London. If you laughed or recognized yourself in some of these situations, that's great, because learning happens best when you're having fun. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try repeating the phrases we covered, and don't hesitate to use them in conversations. If you have questions or want to share a similar story, leave a comment below. I love reading your experiences and helping out whenever I can. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss the next linguistic adventures. See you soon with more stories, more vocabulary, and plenty of tips to help you improve your English. Most importantly, remember, mistakes are normal. They're part of the journey. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and gradually, everything will become easier. Never give up, and remind yourself that every word you learn is a small victory. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon for more English adventures. Bye for now. Take a few minutes to practice the phrases one more time and try to use them in your daily life. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel. And don't forget, every sentence you learn brings you one step closer to mastering English. Well done for your effort.